think that just about fits in the frame. So if you saw the service video to this, it's one we bought from another dealer and it was already pretty well spot on. Full 4 watt output, really good receive sensitivity, 0.21 microvolts for 12 dB SINAD. We were discussing current drop in transmit. We were discussing the LA1230 chip used in receive. Just be poised with that. We'll start off on the normal speaker, see whether Mr. Chippie is there, and we'll use our standard replacement coffin mic. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie test. Helps if we're on 31. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger, off we go.
What we'll do when I'm in position, can you turn that beep off?
Negative, I can't.
Roger, that's a Mustang then.
Yeah, unless it was a Transcom.
Yeah, more likely to be a Mustang, and I was right. Right, off we go.
Roger, dodger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. On this radio there's no tone control.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger on that, got you the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, 132.9 and 140.9.
Roger on that, they're actually open.
Roger that. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Well, that's alright today.
Roger. Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
We've got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilson. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on the Mustang CB1000 from 1981. chassis using a standard replacement line. Ready to full 4-1 now.
Yep, all received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger, can't go wrong with that like this.
Roger that.
Roger, got you going over Wilford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, went out the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point, doing the full 4 watts, going 1.3 amps on the standard replacement coffin microphone. Just going to pop it onto low power. Factory preset, it's 300 milliwatts on this radio. Here we go, 54321. On low power, going 30 milliamps, and do 300 milliwatts. There we are, back on full power, over.
Yeah, no problem on full power. Had to override the squelch on low power and it was noisy, difficult to hear you.
Roger on that, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Roxby Level Crossing. Over. Yeah, 136.9 and 142.7.
Well done that. That was absolutely perfect. So thank you, 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Roxby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over raw speed level crossing. Do you have a petrol price today? At that end, please, over.
136.9 and 142.7.
Roger on that. That worked absolutely perfect. So thank you and 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Oh, well, what more can you say? Just as you'd expect, works absolute treat. We'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like on our Midland 76900.
Tango 21, testing Mustang CB1000 into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on standard pop-in mic. Pop it onto low power. This is just there as a hum test. Low power here, there we go on low power, 300 milliwatts. Then back to the full 4 watts. So we'll catch you on the flip-flop.